Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abir. Today we'll discuss on the topic of non-cooperation resolution. The previous last video I have discussed this topic illustratively. What is the exact meaning of the non-cooperation movement, or you can say non-cooperation resolution. But today we will discuss this topic illustratively, and I hope that you will get exposure and proper material or resources about this topic. And I honestly that in future you would not face any kind of the problem related this topic. So guys, non-cooperation movement resolution. The non-cooperation movement was formally launched on August 1st 1920, when the nation was mourning Lokmanya Tilak's death. So this was held non-cooperation movement resolution, or you can say the non-cooperation movement had been started, or you can say that launched during the period of when the nation are mourning the Tilak's death. The Congress meet a special session in Calcutta on September 4, 1920. Leaders like Sayar Das, Mahatma Madan Mohan Malviva, Lala Rajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra, etc. So guys, here we found that during the morning of the death of the Tilak, at that time the Congress session was held in Calcutta. So at that time, how many leaders they were in this Congress, or you can say in this meeting. So Lala La Chandrapal did not agree with the ideas of the boycott, especially of the consul. Only Motilal Nehru among the veterans supported Gandhiji. So these people that they did not opposed of the opposite of the consul, or you can say that they don't agree to boycott. But Motilal Nehru spoke with Gandhiji, and they have started this movement. That's name was the non-cooperation movement. So guys, Mahatma Gandhiji agreed that by the adaptation of the non-cooperation movement resolution, Swaraj might be attained within a year. So guys, M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi had played a significant and crucial role to the freedom of our nation. And at that time they convinced and messaged the people that if we will take this movement, or we will adopt the non-cooperation movement, and definitely within a year we will be attain our freedom by all means, or we can say the proper complete independence. This is the word here who have used, that is Swaraj. So guys, you need to write all these materials, or all these references in your notebook. That's why, because in future you will not face any problem related to this topic. So guys, come to the discussion. So we are discussing about the topic of the resolution, or you can say non-cooperation movement. So finally Gandhiji resolution on non-cooperation movement was passed. So the above discussion we found that there were some leader, they had opposed this bill, or you can say this resolution. But finally this resolution had been cooperated, or you can say passed. It recommended boycott of the legislature, renunciation of the government titles, law courts, movements, educational institution, and foreign goods. Emphasis was laid on the promotion of the Swadeshi goods, and the panchayats were to be established for settling disputes. So guys, here we found that simply the non-cooperation means this is the method which is used by the M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi during the period of the non-cooperation movement. And simply human means who convinced the people, who inspired the people that if right now we are cooperating with the British government and they ruled upon us, but when we will start non-cooperating, like we will boycott our jobs, we will boycott our legislature, we had need to boycott all the system of the British government. So then easily we will be free, we will get our freedom of our nation. So guys, so there are so many points that MK Gandhi had convinced the people that you have need to boycott all the courts, all the titles, all the goods, and all the things, and all the Swadeshi goods, like the foreign goods. And you can say that panchayats were to be established, and we have no need to attend the court. That's why, because we had need to boycott courts, and all the dispute we should resolve, or we can say we should solve through the panchayat. So guys, the resolution of September was rectified at the annual session of the Congress at Nagpur in December 1920, where Congress was restricted, and All India Committee consisting of 350 members with roots going down district, towns and villages were formed. Thus Congress was made a mass based organization. So at that time you have found that this was the resolution which had been passed by the Congress during the period of the 1920 at Nagpur. So Gandhi and the Ali brothers undertook a nationwide tour and addressed hundreds of meetings, thousands of students. 90,000 in January 1921 left schools and colleges. The boycott program of education was more successful in Bengal, Punjab. The students of Bombay, UP, Bihar, Assam, Madras were also very active. So guys, simply the non-cooperation means simply means that Mahatma Gandhi ji declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of the Indians, and had surveyed only because of this cooperation. If Indians refuse to cooperate, so this is the exact meaning of the non-cooperation. If Indians refuse to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year, and Swaraj would come. So guys, this is this code which has written in the book of the Hind Swaraj, which is written by MK Gandhi, and who have convinced people and messaged that people that if we refuse to cooperate with the British government, ultimately we will achieve our proper Swaraj, or you can say complete independence. So Gandhi and Ali brothers undertook. So these are the Ali brothers, Shaukat Ali, and you can say Shaukat Ali, and also Ali brothers. They have also took a significant and good role with the campaign of the Gandhiji, and finally that this movement shows a good effect on the British government. So some of the famous nationalist educational institute established in this period were Kashi Vidyapeeth, Bihar Vidyapeeth, Gujarat Vidyapeeth. These Jamia Islamia, first at Aligarh and later shifted at Delhi. So these are the institutes. When whole the nation, they have boycott all the titles which have credited them by the British government, and they have closed all the school, colleges, universities that they have established by the British government, and also they have resigned the jobs. And finally these were the people that they have inspired the people. They have struggled at that time, and finally that the proper influence, or can say proper effect of the non-cooperation movement had been separate throughout the nation, or can throughout the India, and this was very affected for the British government. So the boycott of law courts also took place, though it was not as successful as the boycott of educational. So guys, institution, many leading lights of the country like C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru, M.R. J.Kar, Saifuddin Kichlu, Vallabhbhai Patel, C.R. Rajagopalachari, Asaf Ali, T. Prakasham gave up their jobs to show their support. So these are the some leaders. They have also left their job. They had got during the period of the British rule. So guys, boycott of foreign Klaus was the most successful program of the non-cooperation movement. Clothes and other foreign, mainly English goods were collected and burned in public. Picketing of the toddy shops also become very popular, which feed to the decline of the government of the revenue. So here we found simply they have what you say they have boycott all the things, all the clothes, all the things, all the goods which had made by the foreign, and you can say which had made by the British government at the time. So all the things has been had been boycotted at the time. So Tilak Sauraj found used for disturbing charkhas, spinning wheels between the peasants and the women to popular kheda. So here we found that when the Britisher things or the goods, things, services, or you can say cloth, what things they have made at the time when the whole of the nation have boycotted the foreign things. At that time, Tilak Sauraj found a spinning charkha, and provided, or you can say given the peasants, between peasants and the women, to popularize kheda. So during this moment Gandhi started wearing a langot and earned the name of the naked fakir. So these were these were the people that how they have inspired the people that we don't have need the things of the British government or the foreign things. So we have need to provide or make their own things, and due to this our nation will be get proper freedom under the rule of the British government. So guys, here we found that what is the exact meaning of the non-cooperation movement. Here we found that Gandhi ji had inspired the people that if we will properly refuse the cooperating with the British government, definitely, or we can say due to this reason, the whole of the British government will be collapse, and definitely we will get proper Swaraj or complete independent. So guys, I have discussed illustrated this topic properly, and I have provided you some PDF form material, and it's sufficient for you if you will discuss in UPSC civil service, or you can say in any board exam. So this resource is very sufficient or enough for your for any exam point of view. So guys, in the end, I heartily request you, please subscribe my channel and share this video. And that's why, because due to this my channel will be grow, and I will monetize my channel, and in future I would make like such videos for you. In the end, I heartily thank you very much to you.